head to the left, drop it. Towards the right, drop it. All right, so I'm gonna start by adjusting right in the mid back first, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Go ahead, take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time for me. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. A nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. I'm going to do a little drop as well. Nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh, yeah.
Just rolling back here. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. One more time. We do a little drop. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Strap in here. Okay, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. One more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Want to point your toes down for me?
Oh, man. That is so perfect.
How was that?
That is so perfect.
That was such a good release.
I feel like a brand new kid or something. I don't know.
Awesome.
It's hard to explain. Oh, that feels awesome.
Good deal. Wow, big release there, man. Same thing here. So just relax it. Same thing, just relax it. Great. Head towards me. Just relax this shoulder here for me. Now do me a favor, just drop the head to the left, drop it. How's that?
This is so awesome.
Crazy.
So awesome. I
release,
just
man.
feel like my spirit has just like lifted a million times more.
Same thing here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Head towards me. Just relax that shoulder there. Drop the head towards the right, drop it. Oof. That was a big one. How'd that feel?
It's just unbelievable. I don't even know how to. I'm just like speechless right now, Doc. I'm
Awesome,
just
man.
feel so awesome right now.
Good deal. We'll do a little Apple Watch combo here. All right, just relax the elbow for me. Perfect. Lean back a bit. Perfect. We'll do a little Apple Watch combo here. All right, just relax the elbow for me. Perfect. Lean back a bit.